Hello everyone. In this video, we'll check how to do conversion uh, of exercise grade 11th chapter 2 number system. Question 5 and 6 we will do from the NCERT book, and these questions are given on the page number 43 and 46. You all can check in your book. These are the question 5 and 6 we will do in this video. So question 5 is express the following octal numbers into their equivalent decimal number. We have given the octal numbers and we need to convert these into the decimal number. So friends, we need to remember then when we are converting any other number, whether it is octal number or it is hexadecimal number or it is binary number, we need to multiply the number with the base. Like if the number is given in the decimal, if decimal number is given and we need to divide into other number systems, binary, octal, hexadecimal. At that time we need to divide the number like this. 65 is written and we need to convert into the binary. So we'll divide it by 2 and every time we will note down the remainder. But if we are converting any other number like binary, octal and hexadecimal into decimal, at that time we need to multiply. And by what we need to multiply? We will multiply the given number digits 145 with the base and its power 0, 1 and 2. We'll calculate this number. 8 raised to the power 0 is 1. 8 raised to the power 1 is 8 and its power 2 is 64. And then need to multiply the given digits with the calculated one. 5 into 1 5, 4 into 8 32, 1 into 64 64, and in last we need to add all the digits. So the number will be 101. 101 is the decimal number equivalent of 145 octal. Move to the next part. The next part is 6760 octal, and we'll convert this octal number system into the decimal. So same procedure we need to follow. First we'll write the digits of the number. 6760 we have written over here. Then we will write the base of the given number system. It is octal, so we'll write here 8, and we need to start writing power from right and every time increase it by 1. 0, 1, 2 and 3 we will write. Then we will calculate it. After calculation we get 1, 8, 64, 512. Now we will multiply the given number with this calculated number. 0 into 1, 0. 6 into 8, 48. 7 into 64, 448. And 6 into 512, 3072. And when we add all these numbers, what number we get? 3568. This is the decimal number. Move on the next part. The next part is done here. 455. This is the octal number and we need to convert into the decimal. So here we have written 455 and then power of the 8, and we have calculated it. 5 into 1 5, 5 into 8 40, 4 into 64 256, and after adding all these digits we get 301. This 301 is the equivalent decimal number of the 455 octal number. Come to the fourth part of the same question. In fourth part also we have given the octal number and we need to convert this octal number into the decimal number. So in all the questions we have followed the same procedure. So here also we'll follow the same, but one difference is there. Other numbers were the whole numbers, means no fractional part was given in these, but in this question it is given. Like the number is 10.75 is there, so we can easily calculate the 10. We'll write here the digits 1 0 and then octal numbers base and then power, and we'll calculate it. 0 into 1 0, 1 into 8 8, and after adding these two digits what we will get? 8. But what about the fractional part? When we convert the given fractional part of octal number system into the decimal, we need to write the base of the given number system, that is the octal number system, but we need to write the power start writing from -1 and move to the right and increase the power. Earlier it is 8 minus 1, then for next position it will be 8 minus 2. And if we calculate the 8 power minus 1, what it means? Means 1 by 8. And if we divide it, then what number we get? 0.125. And if we solve 8 raised to the power minus 2, it means 1 by 64. And if we divide it or calculate it, what we get here? 0.015. Now we need to add these two. So after adding these, we will get 8.95. This 95 is calculated from here and 8 is calculated from here. So this is the conversion of the fractional octal part into the decimal number. Now we'll do next question. In that question, this is the sixth question. Express the following decimal numbers into the hexadecimal. Now we have given the decimal number and we need to convert these given decimal numbers into the hexadecimal numbers, and the base of the hexadecimal is 16. So we need to convert into the base 16 numbers. If we have given the decimal, it means we need to divide. So 548 is given into the decimal. We will divide this number, but by which number we will divide this? By the base of the number in which we will convert it. So the base of that number is 16. 548 will be divided by 16. When we are dividing it, so what number we are getting? First time when we divide 54 by 16, so 16 3s are 48, and then again we have divided, so 4s are, and what is the remainder? 4 is the remainder here. Then again by dividing, 34 is divided by 16. So here we are getting 2, and what is the remainder? 2, because 16 2s are 32. And again dividing by 16, the remainder will be 2. So we'll write from bottom to top. 224 is the hexadecimal number. One more number is given. Now what we need to do? One decimal number is given here, 4052, and we need to convert into the hexadecimal. So we'll divide it by 16. After dividing by 16, we get the remainders 4, 13 and 15. But we can't write the 13 and 15 directly. That's why we have to write their symbols. As we know, in hexadecimal we have the 0 to 9 digits and A to F symbols, and these A to F symbols are given to the digits 10 to 15. So for 13 we'll write the D, and for 15 we'll write F, as I have written here 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So what number it will be? F, because we start writing from the bottom to top. FD4, FD4. This is the hexadecimal number system of the equivalent 4052 decimal. The next part of the same question is 58 we have given, and 58 is given in the decimal, and we need to convert into the hexadecimal. When we divide 58 by 16, we get the 10 remainder in first attempt, and in the next remainder is 3. So how we will write it? We'll write it from bottom to top. So for 10 we'll write the symbol, and what it is? A. So we'll write it 3A. This is the hexadecimal number. Then fractional part is given, decimal number 100.25 in the decimal, and we need to convert it, this number, into the hexadecimal. So what we will do? The part which is given to the left of the fraction or left of the decimal, will divide that by 16. Same procedure we will follow. So from here we get the remainders 4 and 6. So first we'll write the 6, then we'll write the 4. And what about the part that is given to the right side of the decimal? We need to multiply that part to the, what is the given part? 0.25, and we need to multiply by the hexadecimal number system's base. So what it will be? It will be 4. So here after point we'll write 4. So friends, in this video we have solved the question 5 and 6 all parts of chapter 2 exercise number system grade 11th. In next video we'll solve 7, 8, 9 and 10 questions of the same chapter. Keep watching the videos. Thank you everyone.